Hi everybody, I'm Tom Keefe. I'm the Business Development Manager for Absen at Exertis Almo. We are here at the E4 show in Teaneck, New Jersey. And today I'm going to talk about our showcase pick, which is the Absenicon series. This is an all-in-one direct view LED solution. It comes in three different sizes, 110-inch, 138-inch, and 165-inch. All sizes are 1080p native resolution, and they all come with complimentary on-site guided installation from an Absen tech. That is available on all Absen products, and some of the other product lines that we're showcasing today are the Acclaim Plus, which comes in a wide range of pixel pitches and sizes, and we can stock those products and ship them to any of your end users on demand, which is one of the things that separates us from our competitors. Other lines that we carry are NX and KL2. So all these products can be found through Exertis Almo, www.exertisalmo.com.